On this episode, I'm going to talk about how to clone a repository in GitHub. On the previous video, I talked about how to create a repository in GitHub, and this is the project that I created. So we named the example project, and from here, I'm going to clone it. And I'm going to show you all two ways in order to do that. So the first way, I'm going to do it through the terminal, and the second way, I'm going to do it directly through VS Code. So let's start it off right now. So I'm going to click on this code button, this green code button, and then you will copy this. And this is what you're going to need in order to clone a repository. But instead of just like trying to drag all that out, all you have to do is just click this button right here. So that automatically copies it. And from there, what you can do is pull up your terminal, and from there, usually I do this to make it easier for me to know exactly where I'm at. So what I'm doing is typing in CD, and I'm going to type in desktop. So this means CD means change directory. So I'm changing my directory to the desktop now, and now you see it. And then from there, I'm going to type in git clone, and then I'm going to paste that actually this URLs that I got from GitHub, and this will help me clone it. And bam, there it goes right there. I cloned that project, and now I'm going to go to VS Code, and I'm going to try to open it. So from there, I'm going to click open, and I'm going to look for that in my desktop. Bam, there it is right there. And I'm going to click open, and there it is. Voila. Now I have cloned it, and this is exactly what it looks like when I'm on the GitHub. As you can see, it has my git ignore and my readme, and it has the same thing here. So I just want to let you know that's how you clone it. And now I'm going to show you all the second way in which you can do that. And quickly, I'm just go right here. The second way is through VS Code. All you have to do is click view. Then you're going to click this command palette right here. And then you're going to click git, type in git clone. And then from there, you do the same exact thing. You can just paste it, and then it will tell you actually where you want to put this. And then I'm gonna select it in documents, and then it is cloning it. And then I'm gonna just open it right there, and then bam, same exact thing here. And I just cloned it two different ways. And like I said, just to prove it, these are two ways. This is in my documents, and this is in my desktop. Those are two different repositories that I just cloned, just to show you all an example of two different ways that you all can clone a repository. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I tried to make it short and simple so you all can understand, and give you two examples of how you can clone the repository. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will have many more. Espero que tengas un buen día. Ciao.